Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing an Enderman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a square shape for the head. Next, let's hop inside and draw the eyes. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a line in on both sides, leaving a gap in the center. Then let's bring it down. And a line back out on both sides. Next, inside each eye, we're going to draw 2 lines down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. From both sides, let's step in and we're going to draw a line down. And then close it off at the bottom to form a rectangle. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down in the center. And then let's hop out and let's draw another set of lines down for the other side of the legs. And close it off with a line across at the bottom. And that's it for the legs. Now we're going to hop back up and draw the arms. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a line out on both sides. Then let's bring it down and out from the ends. Now let's hop in and let's do the same thing for the other side of the arms. And then close it off at the bottom. And that's it for this Enderman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!